sound-based navigation, and fire emergency response.
Anak-anak yang saya ajarkan mereka cerdas, mereka punya semangat belajar yang tinggi dan ingin bisa berkembang seperti pelajar pada umumnya. Sampai saat ini belum ada panduan resmi dari berbagai pihak yang benar-benar dirancang untuk anak-anak kami. Padahal anak-anak juga mempunyai hak yang sama untuk mendapat selamat ketika terjadi bencana. Kami butuh solusi yang tidak hanya aman, tapi juga bisa memberikan pemahaman yang baik terhadap anak-anak.
Fire can happen anytime and anywhere. Imagine if a fire suddenly broke out in the room where you guys watching this video. What would you do? Exactly. The first thing that probably comes to mind is finding the evacuation route, right? But imagine again, if you are guys in the same room, there were friends who are visually impaired. What could they do?
Rory, who was born blind with
Fire are a major disaster threat in Jakarta, particularly in its densely populated areas. Research confirmed that crowded populations greatly increase fire risk. At the same time, millions of visually impaired Indonesians are still at a risk, as they have limited access to crucial emergency information during this disaster.
However, according to the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, this should not be the case. SDGs Point 4 highlights the importance of inclusive education. SDGs Point 10 promotes equal access. And SDGs Point 11 targets disaster-resilient cities. Yet, in the reality, many visually impaired people are still left behind in accessing emergency information.
To answer this gap, we finally developed SONAFire, sound-based navigation and fire emergency response. SONAFire is an educational game audio-based designed for visually impaired individuals. This game presents fire simulation through interactive narration and realistic sound effects, allowing players to learn how to make decisions without relying on set or conventional media. The main character in this game is Arya, who must escape from burning house by following voice-guided instruction. This story divided into 3 stages: pre-disaster, during disaster, and post-disaster.
The gameplay is simple. Just download the SONAFire game on a mobile device and follow the audio-based instruction. Players respond by tapping on the screen, and each answer immediately receive feedback. If it's correct, they move on to the next stages. But if it falls, they repeat until successful.
An often asked question is, how effective is fire safety educational media for people with visual impairment? The results of SONAFire with 15 respondents show significant improvement. The average knowledge score increased from 70.8% in the pre-test to 87.6% in the post-test, with a significant value of P is 0.001. Not only that, expert validation results show a score of 88.3% for content and 88.9% for media, both falling into the highly visible category.
Besides being effective, SONAFire has a number of unique advantages. The game combines realistic sound effect and interactive narration specifically designed for the sensory needs of the visually impaired. The game can also be played independently on mobile device without the assistance of parents or teacher, thus supporting inclusive, portable, and independent learning.
With a user satisfaction rate of 89.2% and a relatively low production cost of under $30, SONAFire stands out as an inclusive, effective, affordable, and enjoyable disaster education solution.
SONAFire is not just a game, but small step from us as a younger generation who care about others.
We believe that everyone deserves the chance to face disaster safely and equally, include the visually impaired.
Game ini juga bisa ngasih banyak ilmu gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya apa yang harus kita lakuin di saat
SONAFire, Voice Save Life, ready to face danger.